Skilled workers have the precision and know-how to do their job efficiently. Skew chisels are used to precisely cut flat surfaces in leatherworking. Aluminium is the most common welding material thanks to its high thermal conductivity. EcoRec is a construction system with a rectified thermoclay block, which improves thermal performance and simplifies costs. Stone dressing is a process of surfacing and shaping of rocks available naturally. The place where the rocks are abundantly available is called a quarry. Glass blowing is a glass forming technique that involves inflating molten glass into a bubble. A lampworker manipulates glass with the use of a torch on a smaller scale. Glass has a very large heat transition range. Wontons like these are a type of Chinese dumpling with a ton of variations. The most skilled chefs could cut a single square block of tofu into more than 5,000 shreds. It takes at least 3 hours to complete this beautiful mowing pattern on 3 acres of grass. Peel asparagus off by slicing one side, then rolling the rest of the rind with your fingers. Yarn spools are cut in order to be respun again with new materials. It will be later used for sewing, knitting, embroidery, and rope making processes. Here you can see this amazing worker technique to lay up concrete on walls. With a fixed saw on top, this worker just holds and rotates the bucket against a leveled surface to get perfect trims. Skill and experience are essential when measuring portions by hand. Doing this can be almost as precise as a dispensing robot machine. Brick surfaces, whether they are outside or in, need to be renovated. At DuraPro Painter they make sure not to miss any spot on this wonderful paint work. Window caulking is easy, cheap, and should be the first line of defense against winter drafts. Pinstripes are a pattern of very thin stripes of any color running in parallel. Rand uses gloss black with a metallic purple paint here. To carry this 20 feet slab, it takes some strength combined with high coordination. Removing the brim from a large tire can be difficult, but you can use a weight and another brim to pry it out. Ryan Sandin crafts hand-forged heirloom cookware that are meant to last. To create a simple ladle he first spends a piece of steel on hot forge, and then he shapes the copper bowl by hammering it against a rounded surface. Fish balls are one of the most common dish in South China. Skill and strength are a must when dipping a wheel like this into carbon fiber. Unlike aluminium wheels, carbon fiber ones shouldn't show any degradation over time. Green pool water is often caused by algae that appears due to exposure to the elements. Arborists use proper tree care safety equipment to keep themselves protected from injury during the tree removal process. Mowing every 6 to 7 days should be a good rhythm to keep your lawn healthy and attractive. Turn your grass cutter to finish the garden edges cleanly. Stability and teamwork on a slow pace are key to move heavy logs. Watch this worker's skills at making plaster molds with ease. This foot-operated machine is able to slice a dog in no time, and with little effort, although it requires a lot of experience to be operated correctly. Innovative cooking techniques can be a game changer in finishing dishes faster. Banana bread is made with mashed ripe bananas mixed into the batter. Hand-eye coordination is key to getting the correct masonry pattern. This worker is a specialist in the art of packaging groceries. This worker has a wonderful technique to save time by spinning these barrels like tops. Even if it seems an easy task, this requires equal parts of strength and precision. Homam Dogas earned the name the Gas Man with his exceptional skills. There is no danger of explosion as these bottles can't be easily broken. A raw cucumber is actually 95% water and is just 16 calories. When cleaning windows, use non-greasy dishwasher and water to make an effective solution. By mixing balance and kinetic force on these PVC rolls, this worker is able to clear all the rolls equally in no time.